Welcome to the royalty world. Just me and my baby navigating life's way, from messy milestones to learning through our play. Oh, this whole world is a treasure for you, exploring beauty and luxury, everything new. Come and join our royal family in the royalty world.
Hello guys, today Jad is learning the ABCs, sensory ABC. يلا يا مامي, let's go. A capital, A small, A capital, A small, A capital, A small. B capital, B small. Searching for the B. B capital, B small. B capital, B small. C capital, C small. C capital, C small. C capital, C small. C capital, C small. D capital, D small. D capital, D small. D capital, D small. E capital, E small. E capital, E small. E capital, E small. F capital, F small. F capital, F small. F capital, F small. G capital, G small. G capital, G small. G capital, G small. Yeah. H capital, H small. H capital, H small. H capital, H small. I capital, I small. I capital, I small. I capital, I small. J capital, J small. J capital, J small. J capital, J small. It's the your name starts with this letter. Baby, your name starts with this letter. J. J capital, J small. Baby,